Hey guys, so if you watched my last video, I went over this little package deal that I came up with. Well, in today's video, we're actually going to install the batteries and the SD card and do an unboxing and setup video. So we're going to start with the Tasco. Let me see if I can find a model on this. Model 119271CW. It's a Tasco 8 megapixel trail cam. Now I will, after these have ran, I'm going to put them in the woods. This is going to be a setup and unboxing video. So once I get this set up on the tree out in the woods, I will definitely come back and do a sample video for y'all. So stay tuned for that. I'll leave it in the description once I get a chance. So to begin with, you have a strap. Nothing fancy, super cheap. Honestly, if you plan to leave this out in the weather for a while, you might want to get a safety clip or something because this plastic is probably going to break. Not saying it will, but it very well could. Tasco is known for making cheap things that surprisingly can last a long time. One thing that lasts a long time from Tasco that I know is their scopes. So, their scopes aren't nothing fancy, but man, will they last. My cousin's got one on his gun that's been sighted in for 20 years and never been resighted. So, all right, trail camera instructions. Let's see. Takes 8AA, ejects from the bottom. You can set it up. Tells you how much is in there. All right, so setup. We'll get to that in a second. Let's go ahead and put these batteries in here. All right. Let's go ahead and pop the side off. See what we got in here. Okay, so we got our LED panel. We got on and off. We got aim, which is how you aim in the setup. Your OK menu and all that. So let's go ahead and pop some batteries in this bad boy. And we're using these Energizer Max. So remember, trail cams don't come with batteries. So if you buy these, make sure to buy batteries or have a lot of them. And, you know, I'm a firm believer in rechargeable batteries, but I don't have any anymore. Unfortunately, I have neglected that part of life and not bought any more rechargeable because they are kind of a headache to keep up with. But man, it's nice to be able to just charge some batteries when you need batteries. All right, it's in. Now, let's go ahead and pop open these memory cards. That ain't worth a damn. They are. I'm just saying, they're not class 10. So, unfortunately, the image quality and the video quality's only really class 4. Of course, I really don't think, these being 720, that a class 10 will make any difference, but who knows. So SD card goes on the side. Oops. All right. We've installed. All right. To enter setup mode, move the power switch to the middle aim. The display will come on and show initial setup. Don't worry if you notice status LED flashing. Setup process is normal as the aim position is a second function that will be covered later in the menu. Hit the OK and double flashing up and down so you can go through and change all the settings. Well, so we can change the time, a day, and double tap. Change it to 3 or video. So 1 shot, 3 shot. So single, burst, and video. And how many seconds in between, how many days, different things like that. So, figure 10 shows, all right, right, figure 10 is SD card format, so you can format it. Number 9 is set up camera ID, so figure 7 is initial setting interval, so detection every 15 seconds. Number 8 is camera ID, so you can change the camera ID. Number 9 is, oh wait, okay, number, oops. So 1D is number 9, camera ID. Then DEF is 11, which is restore defaults. No, thank you. That is going to be your format. And then you can change, just like we were talking about. Clip it back over. So you'll set up all that. You'll turn it on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I wonder if it makes a sound. Yep. So there is an audible click. I don't know if y'all can hear it or not. About 15 seconds. You hear it? So, not bad. Obviously, camera quality is gonna be the big telltale sign of this. So, we'll find out. I'll make an update video on this, guys, and we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to stay tuned for the next video.